Oh no. Oh no.
I know.
No! No, we have to go back to Italy, stat. Welcome to our casa, and today we're making Saccottini. But before we get started, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for notifications on future videos. Saccottini comes from the word sacco, that means sack. Essentially, it's prosciutto stuffed and in a little sack form. And when it comes to summer, Italians go crazy for this dish. It is a classic. Traditionally, it's used with nicely sliced prosciutto, filled with cheeses and veggies of your choice. Today, we're going to be filling our little prosciutto babies with some asparagus and fried goat cheese. Today's prosciutto comes from San Daniele, which is from the northeastern part of Italy in Friuli region. It's a little bit more sweeter than you would get in Parma, but equally delicious. First things first is we're going to prep our caprino, goat cheese. I have about a 4-ounce log here, and we're just going to put it in the freezer for 15 minutes so it gets nice and cold and hard. It's the time of year for asparagus, and we're going to prep these beauties next. We're going to cut our asparagus in half. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Now take your halved asparagus and we're gonna lay them out on the baking sheet. We're gonna add some olive oil, salt, and fresh cracked black pepper. And in goes the asparagus. And since they're halved and very thin, they're not gonna take very long to cook. Okay, time to start our fried goat cheese. I'm just gonna add a little salt to my panko breadcrumbs. Whisk that egg up. So we're gonna cut our goat cheese log pretty thin, I would say about 1/4 inch, with a clean, super sharp knife. And in between each one, we wanna make sure we clean off that knife. Take your goat cheese medallion and we're gonna coat it in that flour. Once it's in the flour, it's gonna be a little bit easier to handle if you need to reshape. Then we're gonna give it a little egg and into the breadcrumbs. And repeat. And you wanna work kind of quick because it is cheese, so it will melt. After you bread it all of your sliced goat cheese medallions, back into the freezer. After 10 minutes, our asparagus is done. One time. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Did you do this on purpose?
To do what? Yeah, I want it to be matchy, 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 matchy. Can I?
Sure. Well, it's too late now.
It's too late, I'm sorry. Okay, the wine we're drinking today is Chardonnay. It's 100% Chardonnay, while the actual precise denomination is IGT delle Venezie. IGT delle Venezie, indicazione geografica tipica. It's an Italian classification of wine, usually a high class of red and white wine. The requirements are not as strict as the requirement of the DOC or DOCG like Barolo or Chianti Classico, but these wines also are incredibly amazing and protected by the Italian government. The IGT delle Venezie, the wine we're drinking today, covers a big territory of 3 Italian regions. The full region of Veneto, the full region of Friuli Venezia Giulia, which is the region where our prosciutto today comes from, and the Trentino province of the Trentino Alto Adige region. So this is a very vast land, covers a lot of different type of wines, both red or white, and the IGT delle Venezie is the Chardonnay we're drinking today. Produced by Livio Sassetti, this is a stellar Chardonnay. It's a Chardonnay for special occasion. Incredible. Thank you, Martina. So, I'm very excited to try. Let's open it. Yes, I like this sound.
Cheers. Cheers. All right, let's fry some cheese. In a frying pan, we're gonna add just a little bit of oil. We're not deep frying these guys, we're just frying them and flipping them. Once your oil is hot, let's put our little goat cheese medallions in. And these are only gonna cook on each side for like 30, 40 seconds. You just want them to get brown. Time to wrap these cuties. So we're gonna take our prosciutto, take 3 or 4 pieces of your asparagus, take your little goat cheese, put it on top, take it from each end, close it. We're gonna take a chive and tie it up.
And Vino?
Vino. I'm going to cut and you're just going to go. See these little bombs?
Unbelievable.
Balsamic. A little one.
Saccottini, fantastic.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for future notifications.
And make this.
They're super good.